I've got a real love-hate relationship with YouTube Shorts. I like them, I really do, but every time I open up YouTube looking for a longer video, I'm met with a homepage that's almost completely taken over by Shorts. And honestly, it's getting a bit much now. And that's exactly why I want to share this with you, because I found a way to remove the Shorts from the home screen and the search screens in YouTube. And if you enjoy simple iPhone tips like this that actually make your device better to use, consider subscribing down below. I've got plenty more quick tips coming. Right, let's fix this Shorts problem. So on the YouTube app, on the toolbar at the bottom, press onto your profile picture on the far right-hand side, and then in the top corner, go onto Settings. From here, you're looking for the time management options, and you'll see a little toggle within that page that says Shorts Feed Limit. Now, the crucial step here is to set a limit of 0 minutes. That way, there'll be no time for Shorts to display at all. If you choose 15 minutes, you'll still get Shorts until you've watched 15 minutes of them, which again, defeats the object. And then when you've chosen 0 minutes, simply close the app and reopen it, and just like that, no more Shorts. It feels strangely calm, doesn't it? A quick heads up though, this isn't going to synchronize across your devices. So if you watch YouTube on a tablet, a phone, and a TV, for example, you're going to want to set this up on each one to make sure those Shorts are not showing up on the home screen. And if you want some more tips to help make your iPhone even better, I think you're going to like this video next.